Protesters tried to storm Raj Bhavan against extension of Article 371 Clause A or any other similar article of the Indian Constitution in Manipur. Irate residents of Khetrigaon Makhalekai vandalized house of murder suspect Yumkhaibam Rohit alias Rajesh, who allegedly killed 26-year-old Pukrihongbam Memi. Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur State protests in front of Agriculture Department demanding availability of subsidized fertilizers for farmers. And Students' Union of Kakching Kuno College alleges college teacher and a bank manager of siphoning huge amount of money from college general account. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Members of Nongchup Imphal, Palem Ima Apunbalup tried to storm Raj Bhavan today in protest against extension of Article 371 Clause A and 6th Schedule in Manipur. The protesters under the banner of United Committee Manipur were halted near Electricity Department gate by the police. Later, 7 representatives were allowed to proceed and meet the governor. Speaking to media persons, Secretary General of Nepal, as Santi Laima said, the governor listened to their grievances and assured to extend her support. She also urged for a special assembly session to discuss issues concerning the integrity of the state.
Ngasi India government na akhoi Manipur se macet segai ra kanda akhoi Manipur ore dori huji maramdi huji framework agreement gi matang da kari su ide na Manipur praja punamak se khongya iprong mani sin ran thamba akhoi yam thina pende ngasi kari gi da makta article 371 a se tholok pano masi akhoi Manipur se macet segai ge na haibani India government haibse praja miyam gi against makhoina namdana Sanadana Topa Taragadi, Maduda Torpa Papa Daita, women of Pugadabani, Maduda Manipur Parjagi, Tawaina Ponta, where the Kanda Sapsana Idam the Manipur Kanbagi, Wasak Amagal Lugani, Aquana Toxera Pase, Position Pase, Governor, Undarakanda, Governor, the request of Zage, Atuba Matam, the SMB Pamponga Tabane.
Women folks and local clubs under the initiative of UCM staged a sit-in today at Kumbi Market against extension of Article 371 Clause A of the Indian Constitution or any other similar article in the state. Members of Kumbi Kendra Women Welfare Association, Kumbi Terakhong Youth Club, Kumbi Setupur Youth Club, Khuga Athletic and Library Association and Ecology Environment Federation took part in the sit-in. Taking part in the protest, President of UCM Sunil Karam lamented at the lack of united stance from both the opposition and the ruling party regarding the issue. Secretary of Kumbi Apunba Nupiluk K.H. Anandi asserted that Manipur cannot be disintegrated at any cost. Women's Social Welfare Association, Wangkai Angom Lekai and WAL United Club, under the aegis of United Committee Manipur, jointly staged a sit-in at Wangkai Angom Lekai against implementation of Article 371 Clause A in the state today. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of UCM, Athoba Khuraijam, maintained that the statement made by interlocutor R.N. Ravi in the parliament is a direct provocation to the people of Manipur. He stressed the need to hold a special assembly session to discuss issues pertaining to the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement at the earliest. Irate locals today vandalized the house of the main suspect behind the murder of Pukrihongbam Memi. Locals of Khetrigaon Makhalekai tore down the house of Yumkhaibam Rohit, alias Rajesh, 29 years, son of late Riyajuddin in the locality. Rohit is the main suspect in the killing of Pukrihongbam Memi, 26 years, daughter of Gaura Singh from Iko Kaithel in Imphal East, and disposing of her body. Mimi's body stuffed in a sack was recovered from Iril River near Arabti Ketukong under Irilbung Police Station on August 17 around 1 p.m. Members of local clubs Maira Paibis, including Jilla Parishad, have resolved to ostracize the accused family from the locality. Speaking to media persons, Khetrigao Jilla Parishad Longjai Najrul Islam urged the government and relevant authority to give befitting punishment to the culprit. Later, a police team led by SP Imphal East District Police Muttum Kumarjit and officer in charge Binod rushed at the spot and contained the situation.
अखोई नसीगी वरेपसिदा क्लब सिंह युवा क्लब मराई पाइबी प्रधान आई इसामक परिषद प्रधान मेंबर लेकाई सिगी मराई पाइबी लोइना पुल्लगा अखोई वरेप लौखिमनी अदुगा मयाम चंगना युम कैसि थुगाई बिरमे आइगी मोतने गवर्नमेंट की साइड तक अंगप चेराक पीबसिने इन पामजरिस लौखिब वरेपसे खुनसिदा मासि लेहिंदबा फुमसु फुमनबिदबा सिगी वरेपनी अखोई लौजगरिसि
हुजिक लाइखिद्रबा इचानुपिसे मागी मयुमदा पुरगा हिंगना हातकेरा फोंगना हातकेरा फुमबा हातकेरा हाबजे सिनाजबा आसाजे अखोइदा लेजै अदोमति पेंदी आइगी इचादा थोकसु नुंगाइगदर सिगी थौदोकसे मतुंगदा अमहना थोक्तनबगी दमक्तति लाइकाई ओरसु सिगुमबदी मैरा पाइबेमनि कलपता खंगमबिरगा वरकपदि अखोइदा सिनाबि हाबे वाफमसु थमजगे सरकार बागैदगिदि मखोइ मतिक चाबा दंदिसे फजना लौबैरे हारगा लाइखिद्रबा नुपिमसा इबेमसे इचागुमबनि मखोइबुसु पिलनबा थाबक्ति खैतंग पांथोकपि हाबदि हाइजगे
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization Women's Wing has urged to give the harshest punishment to the murder accused Yumkhaibam Rohit, alias Rajesh, who allegedly killed and disposed the body of Pruki Hongbam Memi. Speaking to media persons at MMWO's office in Hatta this afternoon, convener of the Women's Wing, MK Sophie, condemned the heinous crime and urged the government and the relevant authority to award either a capital punishment or the harshest punishment to the culprit without further delay. She assured MMWO will join hands with the JAC forum against the murder and extend full cooperation in all its movement. Sophie also urged women of the state to be alert from men such as Rohit, who abuse social media and lure innocent women.
Mari Lainabasingna, Saram Jatpa, Matu Panba, Hingsava, Yumkhaibam Rohit Elias Rajesh Ki, Mathakta Speedy Trial Tauduna, Matik Java Cherak, Pigadabani, Maram Dingasina, Memigi Punsi Loikre, Matung Tarapada, Memi Gumbi, Chamjarabi, Janura Kayagi, Punsida, Torok Loy, Hainingai Lete, Memigi, Mihat Asina, Ahan Badinate, Adubu, Masina, Aroiba Oihanaba Mari Lainabasingna, Speedy Trial Tauduna, Ahak Pachairak Piduna, Para Ama Tambibagi, Tangai Pade.
The Ministry of Health and Family, in association with Regional Outreach Bureau, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Imphal, jointly held a one-day orientation workshop on Ayushman Bharat scheme at ROB Auditorium in Wangkhai, Yonglan, Lerak today. The scheme was recently launched as part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's National Health Protection Mission. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Naria Pakhang Lakpa as Subhash Chandra lamented the large number of underprivileged sections of the society still remain deprived of various schemes launched by the centre, as they tend to shy away from giving adequate information on their lifestyle during surveys and collection of SECC census data. He believed that the cultural troops from the northeast states attending the workshop will be a big help in enlightening the public about the scheme through their performances.
Census la bajida ai shagi kai bi mangda pakale tun labor lay ale nang gari masa labor lay gane lay tana lay gane kundan ba arum bagi census ki report logo la kumatamda table lo boina iba right that census ki report ki ganda ina kumani yang lo iba aduna Sheki Makada, Katia Karpiro, Karimasa Leviati, Phone Leviati, Telephone Leviati, I believe, Kanosida, Tokanda. I just a local way I'm do. I don't take a comment in a area, Ram Shavagi meeting Pamo, Ram Shavi meeting Pamo, shake the Payarigi, you, whether Jenen Nuina, Adu, Ekoi, Akbar Toraga, Varsakada, Targa, Namadu, Provincial Navarakana. Only.
JNM's doctors took mass casual leave in demand for old pension scheme Rule 1972 for those doctors who have joined JNM's before 2005 when it was JN Hospital. Old Pension Scheme Demand Committee JNM's organized a sit-in demanding the same at the institute's complex today. Chairman of the committee, Dr. Oguneshwar, told media persons that JNM's got registered under Manipur Societies Registration Act in 2007. Following the registration, it was informed that Central Civil Service Pension Rule 1972 will be applied for the employees of the institute. However, a new service rule for JNM's came out on August 1, 2015, notifying that new contributory pension scheme will be enforced for JNM's employees. Dr. Ganeshwar expressed discontentment that despite the repeated pleas, authorities concerned has failed to pay heed to their demands.
2005 की जनवरी चंग एम्प्लॉय न्यू पेंशन स्कीम चलनी अखोई न्यू पेंशन स्कीम चलनी है ऑर्डर थोएब अखोई अनौबद याब यादेब हाँ 2004 की डिसेंबर फक्त चंग एनी एम्प्लॉय मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट की एनी डिपार्टमेंट की एम्प्लॉय दी ऑल पेंशन स्कीम से चलनरेब अदुमाइना अखोई सरकार की मेडिकल कॉलेज अमनिना ऑल पेंशन स्कीम चलहनबियो हाबने अमदि यहनबियो हाबने अखोई अमदसु याब यारो अमदसु याब या लास्ट अखोइना अरोबिदा अपील तौनिंगसे all pension scheme chanan biu aduga employees ki masi akoi ki phangpam to hak neba.
On the other hand, senior residents of JNM staged a sit-in at JNM's complex demanding to withhold the scheduled DPC until the service rule is amended. Speaking to media persons, Joint Secretary of Teachers Association JNM's senior resident Dr. T. Nimmi maintained that 77 regular doctors were recruited in 2009. She said the senior residents have lesser scope of promotion, even though according to 2015 service rule, there are provisions to upgrade from assistant professor to associate professor and even earn the rank of a professor. However, since assistant professors are directly appointed and since the senior residents have lesser chance of being promoted to an assistant professor, she urged the relevant authorities to upgrade the service rule. Reacting to the notification issued by JNM's regarding recruitment of 25 new assistant professors, she asserted that no DPC will be allowed in the campus until the service rule is amended and until priorities are given to the qualified senior residents. Dr. T. Nimmi maintained that further agitations will be carried out until their demand is fulfilled.
अखोइना होजिक पामजरिबसिदी अखोइगी सर्विस रूल अमा फजना सेंबिबा implement tawibा चनाहनबा अदुगा क्वालिफाइड पर्सन अखोइगी मनुंगदा लेरिंगैदी मपानदगी एनी फ्रेश अपॉइंटमेंट अमा लौबीगनु हैबा अखोइगीदी कइम फावबा एज इट इज अखोइदी हेक हौबा नुमितसु सीनियर रेसिडेंट ना हाइबिरे अदई हयेंग रिटायर तौबा नुमितसु अखोइदी सीनियर रेसिडेंट की पोस्ट अदुम रिटायर तौबई फिफमदा लेरेबा करिगुम्बा मरकसिदा अदुम लेटरल एंट्री कैंडिडेट खैसिना अदुम लाख लाख तना चंगागा लेतारगदी अखोइगी दी प्रमोशन नतरगदी उपाय लेजदेबा.
A one-day state-level sensitization workshop on agripreneurship development for increasing farm income and promotion of agri-business in Manipur was held today. ICAR Research Complex for Northeast Hill Region Manipur Center organized a workshop at its center in Lamphel. Experts in the workshop spoke at length on various aspects of making agriculture and its allied activities locally adaptable, high-yielding and profit-generating to sustain the state's economy. Vice Chancellor of CAU Imphal, Professor M. Premjit, PN Praveen Kumar of NABARD and Director of ICAR Meghalaya, Dr. Narendra Prakash attended the workshop. On the other hand, farmers protested against shortages of subsidized fertilizers in the state today. Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur State organized a sit-in against the same in front of the Department of Agriculture in Sanjanthong and demanded availability of subsidized fertilizers for farmers. Farmers of Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal and Bishnupur district took part in the sit-in. Taking part in the protest, General Secretary of Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur State, Telem Dara, accused the MLAs, ministers and officials for providing subsidized fertilizers to their next of kin instead of making them available to the deprived farmers. He condemned the government for remaining a mute spectator to the miseries facing the farmers since a long time. He also lamented that there is no proper demarcation between farmers and others in the state, due to which farmers are at the losing end.
Revenue Department ngasi bawda tenan khetia aina tenan wori ba lomi sing sigi madugi kano se akhoi gi book maintain tawde moina hojik maintain tawrisi pata ga aduga dakji thaga ani khaktani moina maintain tawrje tenan khetia sidi moi maintain tawde aduna maram morga Manipur da leiba lomi sing je government ma sakangdri aduna lomi na tabada har pombi da piramina market to loina leiba lomi de labuk to leibani mokoina queue lepa se chidla lepa se am kada ji kiwani madugi queue lepa phangdri ngai marak chida marak ta leiba mi singina business commodity won thoki be one
adunga si ai amna pen da badagi yara badi ngasi sanchen thongi sekat director office da sirage haibe wakhalon da phogdam se lupa lising amada mol ahum pirage haraga lising taruk lauraga ai har tana har gi baman phangdana paisa loire asi bawda har pi de aseng na sujaba longi aseng badudi ngasi sida har pi haibe lawbu ngamde kappu ngamde upai leite phogdam se lauraga bek taruk chaigadra ai lok pari mari uye pari mari da ai adhar ga pata ga be ani ga phangaga hida laga ai har lawgi draba sigi pichaje tawbio adhar na proof pata na proof karamba proof no ba phil kumbio ba.
Nongmaitham Manishwar refuted allegations charged against him on various media platforms, alleging him of associating with a prescribed outfit and eagerly taking money from prospects with the promise of providing jobs to them in CAU. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Manishwar asserted that he is not accountable to any of the allegations charged by Babita and her group. Demanding clarifications from those concerned, he warned of taking legal help. On an earlier press meet called by Babita and Pangambam Nganthoi from Lamsang, accused Manishwar and Romabati of taking around 45 lakh rupees for a job at CAU in 2015. Stating his alibi, Manishwar maintained that he was an advisor for a students' association based in Delhi while studying tourism studies in 2014-2015.
2014 amadi 15 da tha mari sangna sen yamla ba senpham machi thabo hapi ga duna khongat ki harba senpham gi khongat pagi matam ji da ai Manipur da su leijade aduga se thabo hapi gi ne haiduna se lokthok khraga mang khre na haiba taraga di ai mang khre haiba si ai gi yumna khabar da hapka dabani ai mang khre na laikai amada gi mi na laga hapa yabna te thodok siga mari lena na yum da ngasi phau da mi matana sangra matam ji da paisa gi maram da adegi oita pata gi maram da ai yum da complain la ko su leitri अथुब मतमदा बबिता अमदी महाकी टीमना मसी सेंगदोकपीदब तारगदी आई आइन की मतेंगदगी करिदगी लौरगा आई थबक लखचगनी हाइना आई थमजरी.
Taking part in the press meet, father of Maheshwar, Nongmaitham Lokeshwar, expressed disappointment and asserted that the allegation against his son is false. Lokeshwar maintained his house near Azad Hall in Kakching Ningtholaikai is easy to locate. However, no one came by all this time asking about his son. He further stated that his son Maheshwar did not hide from anybody.
Thabuk chu happy dre senju lokthokre ka haibna chingbudu akoi maga wari do phajana sanege natragana karino akoi magi mathakta lokhatpam thobu action lokhatjage waru binu ka haibna chingba tawro magdi mapai leri tisu khangbam thoye hajeriba adu karim su khangde bse nole su leite no to su kashi togi su leite manam dai sa jin to do ni kakhat chabagi wana sedi aduna hanak sida khabar da tori bisidi ai gi imung manung khaktan natan isa si khaktan rai imung no ai sagai na te kari le kai phawda yamna sitaba adegi akoi bu yamna sing thana koi bo hekta yarani haibugumna tawboina logjai yam nongai jade mas.
Meanwhile, member in charge information and publicity as Mangal of the prescribed outfit, Kangleipak Communist Party, in a press release clarified that the woman involved in taking the huge amount of money is not associated with KCP in any manner whatsoever. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on protest meets held by JAC against the custodial killings of the 5 Manipuris. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Protest meets were held at various places today against the cold-blooded murders of G. Gypsy, T.H. Prem, R.K. Ranil, T.H. Satish and P.H. Naubi allegedly carried out by the Indian Army. Committee on Human Rights Manipur, JAC, formed against the custodial killings of the 5 Manipuris, and Amuko jointly organized the sit-ins at Yumnam Huidrom, Laisangkhong Kabui village and Hairangoitong Market Wangway. People in the areas who took part in the protest chanted various slogans demanding to repeal Afasfa from Manipur, to deliver the mortal remains of G. Gypsy and T.H. Satish to their families, and to award befitting punishments to the Indian Army personnel involved in their murders. A sit-in demanding 7th pay commission and increment of pensions amount for retired government employees was staged at Kaisampat Laimadam Laikai Community Hall today. Taking part in the sit-in, one pensioner, Salam Birendra, expressed disappointment at the failure of the government to fulfill their demands, including raise of pension amount. He also condemned the government's decision to implement 7th pay commission in the state only from April of 2021, despite the ongoing movement by JAC of Amtuk and Amgio.
Mangjaba haise ko isa khakta inate mayam employee mayam sigi mangjaba adigi tung da hor ko do mayam sigi yam mangjaba adasi government se tawriba thabak si pen da bai tare ngasai marak da ko sanar ma khar yawba demand se ko yebo praja mayam si yanama tawbiyo ba asi government employee mayam adi pensioner mayam si yanama tawbiyo haibo ne admane yare na order ma thoe ga tawriba khabar i ma namthak ko tawbi si namthak mayam se ai ko khire haibo ne si government si ki moi namthak mayam se achum ga ngang biyo ko pami se ate kaimate government sina torma tamda moi torpoda khoi loina pengani khoi parjamian pen na torodi or parjamian pelak tar khoi sorok paise parjamian saung torok paise moi government si khoi lasting layer roi.
Flood Victim Demand Committee Chandil, in collaboration with flood-affected village chiefs of Chandil, today organized a mass rally at Chandil headquarters against delay of first payment and final payment of IAY Housing Scheme Special Package sanctioned by the Centre for 2015 floods and landslide victims of Chandil district. The rally started from Indoor Stadium Chandil and proceeded toward the office of Deputy Commissioner Chandil, chanting various slogans. Speaking to media persons, convener of Flood Victim Demand Committee Chandil, B.D. Betha, said the rally was organized in protest against the non-payment of relief or compensation to the landslide and flood-affected victims of 2015. Betha warned of intense agitation if the government fails to release the relief fund by September. Protesters submitted a memorandum with their concerns to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, WYAS and Water Resources Minister Letpao Haukip, Chief Secretary Suresh Babu, through the DC of Chandil, Krishna Kumar.
2015 dagi hojik phawa sahi mari yausin lak awa anangi pi tare basingi mang basingi paisa hojik phawa phangda basidi Manipur government da amadi central da mari laina ba authority sing da appeal tawjabani ngasi ekhoi memorandum pi jagani through deputy commissioner Chandil, Biswajit minister, rural minister, aduga Lepao water resource minister, ekhoi gi honorable deputy CM Mr Biren, aduga Delhi da shumari laina basi khoi si thagani, aduga chief secretary Suresh Babu, government of Manipur. Asida shi ekhoi memorandum pi jagani ngasi numit asidagi hapta amuk ekhoi changs pigani asi manung sida ekhoi response
The Excise Department at Moray is in a deplorable condition for a long time due to negligence by the government. Only 4 officials are running the department, which was inaugurated in 1987. Impact News sources said one Chomkhojang Baide has been taking charge as officer in charge after most of the staffs, including the officer in charge, ran away in 1987 following incidents of underground groups' monetary demands. Chomjokhang stated that due to lack of proper maintenance and fencing, the department is deteriorating day by day. He appealed to the government to look into the inadequacies, including staff quarters and proper fencing. Chomkhojang asserted that the department will generate good revenue if maintained properly. Roadside Vendors Welfare Association held a discussion meet on socio-economic status of street vendors and Street Vendors Act 2014 at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media persons, President of the association, Khetri Tama, said resolution will be taken during the meet to urge for fully implementing the Street Vendors Act 2014 in the state. She drew the attention of the government to allocate vending space for street vendors in Kwaramban market. Tama also appealed to conduct survey to identify street vendors and issue them identity cards in order to facilitate them in availing various street vendors' welfare schemes.
Lairiba street vendors ma'am singsi sarkarna police act sizinadana ekoi phamba yararoi haidana mai sai time bound ama pirak pasidai ekoi mapungone Impal East amadi West ke ekoi urban street vendors singsidadi achoba impact ama kakpi aduna maram oidana hairiba lairiba market chigi akoibada karai da ekoi available space lairige haibase ko loina khangminai ado hairiba jaga singa sidaida ekoi banding zone oina sarkarna declare tongnanabagi wafam ama koi logani aduga loinane ima market ki mathakta lairiba ahangba singse masidai sideju karamba makalge threat street vendors sing se koi adjust toba yagadage haibadu sarkarna koi hanadagi hongnai koina hona biu haidana lai hujiksu ekoi amukana ekoi masigi jaga si ekoi pibi na bai koi taksin ma yaugani.
Physics lecturer of Kakching Khunau College S.H. Manitombi, in collaboration with manager of Manipur Rural Bank Kakching branch, allegedly siphoned off huge sum of money amounting to 16,32,952 rupees from the general account of Kakching Khunau College. General Secretary of Kakching Khunau College Students Union, Sorokhaiba Manganba, has warned of taking legal actions against the accused if the fund is not deposited by 28th of August into the account. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Manganba intimated that S.H. Manitombi and the manager of Manipur Rural Bank, without the approval of any authority, withdrew the amount on August 16. He also demanded the bank to produce an official statement declaring how many such unauthorized withdrawal took place in the past. The General Secretary also appealed to the government to look into the irregularities of the college and appoint an efficient regular principal at the earliest.
Ngasi Kakching Khunau College ki lairiba crisis sigi matangda tongan ba student organization sing amadi CSO singna nakal namada yenga kanda yauksin biribado atuba matamda khongthang ado handokpiyo aikoina pizariba deadline sigi manungda handokpi daba taragadi pinpoint torakanda hairiba crisis asida yaukshiliba civil organization sing amadi student organization sing miamda flash tawjagani huranala da lokthokriba paisa sing asi hanjilaktriba fawba amadi achumba khongthangda mai onsilaktuna Manipur lengangna achumba khongthang lokhalaktriba fawba Kakching Khunau College na hanba leitana khongjang kaya sangsilakani haibase ngasi lebak miyang mafamda thamjari.
Go to Village Mission Camp was held for the second time with the residents of IMC Ward number 18 in Yaiskul constituency today. Taking part in the camp, MLA Yaiskul T.H. Satyaberta asserted the new government has been pulling all out efforts to bridge the gap between the government and the people. 28 government stalls opened at the camp held at Juvenile Learners Club Community Hall. Wangkai Topom Laikai provided free gas connection through Ujawala scheme, old age pension and differently abled pensions to the beneficiaries, among others. Go to Village Mission Camp was also held in Thanga constituency of Bishnupur district today. 28 government departments were opened stalls at the camp held at Nganulai Malaibung in Moirangkhunau, Makhalekai. Indian Oil Corporation Limited and the Agriculture Department distributed gas cylinders and high-yielding variety of seeds to the beneficiaries during the camp. MLA Thanga T. Robindro, government officials, Jilla Parishads and Pradhans of various Gram Panchayats attended the camp. Go to Village Mission Camp were also held at Sanjengbam, Pukharambam, Gram Panchayat and Kwaksipai. Go to Village Mission Camp was also held at Mission Compound Community Hall of Songpi Village in Churachandpur under the supervision of DC Churachandpur IAS Shyamlal Punya. Imphal East District Administration organized Go to Village Camp at Panam Ningthau Garden in Andhra today. Over 20 government departments opened stalls at the camp and facilitated the villagers in availing various governmental benefits. Forest and Environment Minister Thaunajam Shyamkumar and eminent government employees took part in the camp. Governor Dr. Najma Habdullah, Minister of Forest and Environment Thaunajam Shyamkumar, Works Minister Thongam Bishwajit and Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan greeted the people of the state, especially the Muslim community, on the eve of Eid-ul-Juha. They wished for a auspicious occasion to bring peace, prosperity and harmony in the state. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren also greeted the people of the state, especially the Muslim community, a peaceful, harmonious and prosperous Eid-ul-Juha. Manipur Badminton Association in a press release informed that the 37th Inter-District and 63rd State Open Badminton Championships will commence from 22nd till the 25th of August at Bakshi Indoor Stadium in Humpung Ukhrul. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Protesters try to storm Raj Bhavan against extension of Article 371 Clause A or any other similar article of the Indian Constitution in Manipur. Irate residents of Khetrigao Makhalekai vandalized house of murder suspect Yumkhaibam Rohit alias Rajesh, who allegedly killed 26-year-old Pukri Hongbam Min. Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur State protests in front of Agriculture Department demanding availability of subsidized fertilizers for farmers. And Students' Union of Kakching Kunau College alleges teacher of the college and a bank manager of siphoning huge amount of money from the college general account.